Hello, good morning. Topic of the day is commit to achievement. There is one famous quote of Swami Vivekananda ji. He says, "Arise, awake, and do not stop till the goal is reached." If you have any target in your life, any goal in your life, then we must have to do a continuous hard work. Sincere efforts are needed, definitely. And for that continuous hard work, we have to keep ourselves healthy on physical level, on mental level, and on emotional level. Because if we are not physically healthy, then we cannot move towards our goal, because we will just get tired very soon, we will feel lethargic, and we will not able to do the continuous hard work at a stretch for long period of time. So physical health is needed. Then mental health. Suppose if you are physically healthy but mentally you are not healthy, some mental pressure is there, anxiety is there, tension is there, then even you cannot take a step forward towards your goal. And then emotional health is also needed. If you have any emotional baggage inside you, you are carrying since last so many years or months, maybe due to past failures or due to some past events, then that emotional baggage will also stop you to just take a forward step towards your goal. So mental health, physical health, emotional health, all are needed. A balance, a synchronization is must. Then only we can just move towards our goal. I will share one basic technique of meditation with you, which I have learnt from my master Osho, and it helped me a lot. The technique is, just before going to sleep, take a long and deep breath. Take it into your navel center and feel your stomach is expanding a little, and then hold your breath. Okay, do not exhale, just hold it inside, and then when you feel the restlessness, when your whole body is demanding for the next inhaling, then stop and say to your mind 3 times whatever is your dream in a very concrete and short sentence. Suppose, for example, I want to become a great businessman. I want to become a great businessman. I want to become a great businessman. 3 times, and then relax. Exhale, and then normal breathing can be done. Okay? And while sleeping, when you have done this process 3 times, then just go to sleep and visualize that you already have become a great businessman. You are dealing with people, your banners are there, your hoardings are all around in the city, and you are just earning money, you have the meetings, you are so busy person. So visualize it and gradually just go to sleep. So this is the basic technique. Give the command to your subconscious mind. We all know the power of subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is 88%. Only 12% we use this conscious or the active mind. So in this process, when we are holding our breath, we are giving the command directly to the subconscious mind, directly to the roots. Because sometimes we think that early in the morning we will get up at 4 and then the alarm rings and then we stop it and again just go to sleep. So in spite of promising ourselves, we are just again repeating the mistake. Because our active mind is only 12%. It is not getting that command properly. So we have to give that command to subconscious mind. So this is the technique, and if you want to work this technique properly, successfully, then at least do it for 21 days, at least. And if you miss the day in between somewhere, then again start from 1. Because some consistency is needed. Okay. So before sleep, just a 3-minute practice. 3 times, hold your breath, give command to your subconscious mind, visualize, and then go to sleep. Very small, very short technique can bring a magic in your life. Try it, but at least for 21 days. At least. Maximum you can go for 3 months, but minimum 21 days is required. So arise, awake, and do not stop till the goal is reached. Thank you.